Yeah, it's me reviewing my E88 Pro camera drone that I bought from Jumia, and the drone was okay. Here is me opening the package, checking it out. You can see right there. I'm checking it out. The instruction. Here is me carrying out the drone. So one thing I learned about this drone that it's not easy to fly at all. The drone is not easy to fly. You can't fly it if you don't know anything about it. And the remote control was so hard. Sometimes if I on the remote control, it won't connect to the drone immediately unless I have the drone and on it back with the remote control at the same time. And the battery was so weak, and it only comes with one battery. And I don't know, maybe there's an extra battery for the drone. And for the camera, I was not able to capture the camera because the drone lost. I was trying to fly the drone one time. You are going to see it in the video, and it went up like 30 feet to the ground and went into someone's compound like 7 blocks away from us. So we started looking for it. We started looking for the drone. I was about to give up safe. I was like, damn, I lost this drone first day I bought it. So we are looking so hard to find the drone. So we find inside a church. And since then, when they said it fell down. Since then, when I'm trying to make it on, to make it work better, it has been doing somehow. And I don't know what to say about the drone, but it's not, if you want good quality, you have to spend money. Because I bought this drone, I won't say the amount, but I bought it reasonable amount. But I would say the drone is trying, but it's too. I don't know how to put it. The drone is too. It's too light. The drone is too light. Like the breeze is just carrying the drone away. The remote control is not doing anything. It's not even helping at all. The remote control is not helping me. The drone is too light. The breeze is just carrying the drone away. And it's hard to fly. Very hard. The battery, it's me putting the I don't know what to call it, like a guide for the fan, so that anytime the drone crash, the fan won't break. I was trying to add the guide to the fan so that it won't break anytime I was flying in it. And when we fly the drone that went so far up, like 30 feet to the ground, and when it crashed, nothing happened to the drone though. Nothing happened to the drone when it crashed. Thanks to the guys, to the I don't know how to put it. I'll say shin guide for the fan. You will see it when I attach it to the drone. You see it there. So it will prevent the fan from having issue or breaking. So I added it to it. Here's me adding it to it. I was adding it to it. And I'm so happy I added it to it though. I'm so happy because after I had this shit, the drone started flying up and 30 feet to the ground. When it crashed, it has no issue. But since then, I was trying to fly it again because I can't even look for anything that doesn't use. It doesn't have GPS tracker. It doesn't have anything. So I was lucky to find it today because I was thinking, if this drone fall on someone's house roof, how will I get it? What will I tell the owner of the house that I want to pick my drone on top of the roof? So I was thinking, when I lost the drone, it's gone. We started searching. We are searching like more than 10 minutes. We keep searching with some keys. They help me search the drone. We search it, and they look for it. I'm so happy when they look for it. So I met one brother that was trying to explain more about the drone. You will see it in the video. The brother was trying to explain more about the drone, and the brother tried to fly it also, but it's not easy. The drone is not easy. It's not easy to fly because of the wind, and the drone is too light. It's too light to fly to handle the wind. It's too light to handle the wind, for real. The drone is too light to handle the wind. But the camera is bad though. I won't say it's bad, but it's really good. But I do not test the camera well. I do not test the camera earlier flying because I was scared to fly it again. I don't want it to just vanish out of the air because we could not see it. You will see it in the video. You could not see it in the air. Okay? It was just going. I was trying to bring it back down. The remote control is not helping at all. It's not even helping. It's not helping. It took me like 5 to 10 minutes before I could get how to fly it here. And to be honest, when I get this drone, it was late at night. I was trying to fly it in my compound just to get it right before I come to the field this morning, so that I won't feel novice. I won't be novice about it. I won't feel like I haven't seen it before. You feel me? I haven't tested before, so I will know where to put this, how to connect this. So it really helped. With the way I did it yesterday, I studied it yesterday. It helped me today a lot because yesterday when I found that I need to put those four rubber guide, chin guide. I need to put them to manage the fan so that it won't break. Here is me, and my mic is just lagging. My mic is lagging for real. My mic. That's why I do backup voice, because it's not even making sense. The mic is not making sense. Sometimes you talk, sometimes you just lag. But I'm trying though. I'm trying for real. And I hope you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel for real. I hope you guys subscribe. Just help my project. Help me. I'm trying to start a content. I'm inspired by one of the YouTuber and I forget his name, Tayo. The guy do go around video places, and I really love it. I watch a lot of his video, and he inspired me a lot. And he was my mentor though. So, and I hope this what I'm trying to do also become successful in future, because I really want to get serious about this, and I hope may God so help me. I hope God help me a lot about this. I hope so, because I need to get serious about it to become successful in the YouTube space. So I just hope everything go fine for me. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Support your boy. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless y'all. God bless you so much. Subscribe to my YouTube channels, okay? And my first project will be next year. My first project, I'll be going to Badagry Museum's Slave Center to video how they took our forefathers as slaves to the Caribbeans, to Europe, to the United States. I'll be did a documentary about it. That's why I bought this drone, in case I need any up views, up captures. I want to capture something in the sky, and yet I haven't even learned how to fly it. I hope I learn it so quick, because it's so hard. And go line for it's so hard to fly. Everyone that make it to the end of the video, I will say thank you so much. God bless you all, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.